எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம், எல்லாருக்கும் நன்றி. என் தாய் பேச்சு தமிழ், ஆனால் இப்போ இந்த ஸ்பீச் எல்லாம் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு எனக்கு தெரியாது. இப்போ கொஞ்சம் ட்ரை பண்ணுறேன் இங்கிலீஷில் உங்களுக்கு தேங்க்ஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. I am really honored. I have come with my grandson Vidur and also an assistant, a Tamil girl from Tirunelveli. She is here. And Dr. Annamalai had arranged all this for me, and Dr. Manikam has been very kind to host me here and to look after me. And Ananda Rao has been like a brother, like a son to me. I feel I am in the middle of my family. This is a great occasion. 100 years of Bapuji's decision to wear the dress of a man of action who works in the fields of India. I believe when he came to Madurai, he saw all the farmers and others with just short dhoti. He said, "Why are you like this?" They said, "We don't have anything else." So Gandhi decided that he should change his attire and keep to minimum things, and in a minimum way he should keep things. And so he was inspired by the soil of this land and by the soul of the people to change into that. And his whole life was a holistic way of living, his struggles with truth. We always wonder, why Gandhi, how could he become what he was? But let us remember that there was no Gandhi before Gandhi. And we all now copy Gandhi, but we don't know how he managed, because there was no example. Can I have some water, please? Tani kudungo. Anna is Rajaji, we called Anna. I once asked Rajaji, please write to me something about Gandhi. And Rajaji said, you know, if you want to know Gandhi, read what Gandhi wrote himself. Because people can write on Gandhi and you can read it to know the history. But to understand Gandhi, just read Gandhi. And that was a message also I got. You know, there was some similarity between Gandhi and Rajaji, a strong similarity. They both kept very few things, minimalist. And they both were, of course, Khadi philosophy, Gandhi philosophy, Sarvodaya Darshan, all that is a non-dualism. You can't separate that. Gandhi became the father of the nation because there was a mother in him. And even before Gandhi became the father of the nation, Kasturba had already become the mother of the nation unofficially. In this pandemic, the world, in the fear of corona, is in need of the Gandhian values, of minimalism, of fewer possessions, of compassion, and reaching out to all the needy people. Sometimes I may be needy, sometimes someone else is needy. Sometimes there are needy people without any food on the street. So let us think of all. Above all, we all need love and compassion. So I am together with you, with the people of Madurai. Thank you for inviting me to the land of my mother. Thank you. I am honored, deeply overwhelmed. Goddess Meenakshi, the temple is stunning. But what I would like to say is, this is something I'm sharing with you. I felt that, look at Gandhi gave up everything, I'm only collecting. Today, look how many Angavastras I have collected and told Dr. Annamalai I want all of them. So, this is one thing. I was comparing myself, searching my own truth. But the divinity of Meenakshi has left a stamp on my mind, on the mind of my grandson, that we really feel we are blessed to come to this. This is what we felt. And the people of Madurai wanted to meet them all all of you, I feel I am in my family. Gandhi. Let us remember, all of you are so much young, younger than me and young, also young in every other way, that remember Gandhi with a sense of humor, with his love of aesthetics. We somehow mix filth and dirt with simplicity. இதெல்லாம் சிம்பிளாக இருக்கும், இது ரொம்ப டர்ட்டியாக இருக்கும். இருக்கட்டும், காந்தி ரொம்ப சிம்பிளாக இருந்தார். இப்போதான் dirt is not simplicity. Dirt and filth are not simplicity. It was, we have to go for Swadeshi. We have to go for Swachhata. What is cleanliness? Cleanliness is not, we can't expect only ministers to come and sweep our floors. We must know that we have to keep the area good, the clean, starting from the house. And what is important is the mind without violence is the environment without pollution. The holy river here and the Ganges are not polluted. It is our mind that is polluted, and we have polluted the environment. Let us keep in Sarvodaya, in the direction of Sarvodaya, human mind without violence and environment without pollution. And also, in this period of high expense and corona, we have faced great tragedy. Every day we are facing it. I am daring to speak without a mask, which my grandson doesn't like, but I wanted to speak loud and get my message across, that I'll be nearing 88, and all of you have been so kind to me. I want to say this message. Children and youth have to be guided properly, and not by talk. They do what we do, not what we say. So let us remember that great leaders have shown us the way. It is for the Gandhi in each one of you, each one of us. There is an element of Gandhi. And I do pay my homage to that. And I'm sure that there will be some light, great light for the whole country, for the whole world now. Corona needs Gandhi. About the social justice?
The opinion about the social justice day which the Tamil Nadu government has announced.
Yeah, I didn't read the paper. If he has the social justice if done, I think it's a great thing. Justice, is a very strange word. Someone gets hanged, and we say we want justice because my person has been harmed. So I need justice. That is the judicial justice. But actual justice is when I suffer inside, when I feel guilty, then I pay for the mistake I do. So let us realize that we have to first feel that we were wrong, that feel guilty for what we do wrong. And so social justice, we all have to work for that. Only the government, after announcing it, don't think government is doing something from there. Unless we all are kind to each other, social justice cannot be achieved. Justice, Mr.
Basically, we want to know what is your advice for the youth? How can
address to the youth, address to the youth is please be kind to the weaker section. Don't be bossy just because someone is weak. And that is why I say boy child. Let the boy not be proud only of his physical power. There is a mother power in the boy also. So please, the boys have to be given good examples. I'm saying good examples by elders. Otherwise, I have sympathy for the terrorists because they all had brutal childhood. Social justice, the bill passed by the government is one thing. It is now needed by us to implement it. And that is my message for the youth and the children.
Do you find
Gandhi's thought will always be relevant. If you listen to your conscience, that is always relevant.
Do you think it has reached to today's youth especially?
No, it has today's youth, I'm very proud of the youth. They are in search of it, but grown-up people like me are not able to convey them. I think they all need something, some leadership, but listen to their conscience. Don't just believe in Gandhi. That's why I said Gandhi did not have a Gandhi before him. And I would request the children and the youth to practice writing. Nobody is writing these days. You can't find someone who's writing. SMS is fast. So please inculcate this concept of writing and reading. And I would say khadar because khadar suits our climate. I know it's very expensive, but khadar towels should at least be in khadar. Turkish towels don't suit our weather. You can hang it well. So I am also for khadi. I think my life is on the journey of the thread of khadi. Khadi is not only a kapda, a vastra, it's also a vichar, it's also a philosophy.
How about
Dance is, I call philosophy. I don't like these differences. We should not tolerate a religion. We have to respect another person's religions. If someone comes and says, I tolerate your religion, it's an insult to me. How do you tolerate my mother? We must learn to respect another philosophy, another religion, just as we respect another language. And all the divisions, children should not be taught on the differences of religion, but the beauty of the philosophy of a religion.
Can I just make a request to the press?
And political views ke kadengo, because I can tell you straight away, enaka political views e illa enkitta. I don't believe in any political party. I like individuals. I believe in the strength of democracy. Gandhi was a Nagrik, a citizen's fight. It was not a government's fight. So politics out. They should help us with our messages, how we work to take out our messages, examples to the children and the youth for the cleanliness of the mind and the country and the environment. The government will have to be continuously with us. I really request the Honorable Chief Minister, I'm sure he will do it with a Tamil mind, Tamil brain and the Tamil heart. I'm sure they will do it.
Can you suggest ways on which how Gandhi thoughts could be taken forward among today's generation?
It can be taken if we listen to our conscience and give examples to children and youth, not through lectures, but through constructive programs. Like